What are you guys drinking?
And we have tea. Lemonade. Bro, really? How can you say every time you go to eat? Every time. He farted and it said lemonade.
Why you always the one be saying hello and not hi? Maybe everybody else is saying hi and you be like hello.
That means the same thing.
It does mean the same thing. Well, why you gotta be the one off cue with everybody else?
Troy's lost.
What do you guys have here to eat today?
The rice. We have white rice. We have chicken and some sauce.
Wait, what kind of sauce is that?
Sweet and sour.
Yeah,
sweet and sour sauce. And ketchup.
And ketchup. Why? Because ketchup is whose favorite?
Troy's.
What are you guys drinking?
And we have tea. Lemonade. Bro, really? How can you?
Okay, guys. Let's put it on your plate. Ready?
Okay.
Who wants white rice?
Who I want white rice? Me.
Everybody wants white rice?
Yeah. That's what you gave us a spoon for. Because it's for us.
Who you spoon?
Why am I the only one that gets the little spoon?
I don't know, baby. I just put the spoons on the plate. It's funny though, y'all keep sitting in the same order though. That's funny. Josiah on one side with Jace next to him, and then Troy on the other side.
I'm like, can I eat some rice?
Let me give you the rest of your food. Can you stop, baby?
Troy, don't eat too much. Get on my face.
Troy, you said you wasn't gonna act crazy, remember?
You could just jump right in my face.
But that doesn't mean you have to yell at him.
Put the chicken on my plate. Did I grab some of the chicken and put it on my plate?
That's the reason why I had to take your phone away from you, son, because you're not separate from this family.
I want none.
I'm gonna need you to stop acting like you're separate.
That's it.
No, you're gonna have a little bit. It has
Yes.
Try it. It has broccoli.
It makes you super
and it has
strong.
those green beans that you like that
It's
mommy made
super
last time.
strong.
Yes, Troy.
Can I get some of the chicken?
Excuse me. Stop eating with your hands too, my love. Stop eating with your hands. You're the oldest one here. You're eating with your fingers.
I'm not eating with it. I'm just picking at it. Because I'm not allowed to eat.
I didn't say you weren't allowed to eat.
Oh, broccoli I like.
And then we're gonna do some chicken, right?
Look, I have chicken. I'll wait that one. Because this one's
Yeah,
not
lovey.
No. You didn't eat.
And now it's not hot anymore, Troy.
I'm gonna try sweet and sour sauce.
You don't have to have all the chicken. You can put some back over there because you know you're not gonna eat all that. Now I'll take one, as a matter of fact. I'll take one. Dip it in some sweet
It's good.
sour sauce.
It's good. Another chicken. Crispy. I ate that like in 1 second. More soy sauce. It's not soy sauce, bro. Let me try some. Sorry. More sweet and sour sauce.
Sweet and sour. It's okay.
It's good sauce.
You like the sauce? Chicken tastes good with the sauce? Yeah.
The rice tastes good. I just tasted all my chicken.
I have fried rice. You want to try a little bit of fried rice too?
Yeah. That's the fried rice?
Yeah. Pregnant behind can fit in here.
I thought I was gonna get. I should have got you. Oh,
It's okay, baby. You wanna try it?
ooh.
Move your spoon over.
I'm gonna try a little bit of it. Fried rice is nasty.
Fried rice is not nasty.
Yes, it is.
It is nasty. I tasted it before. It's nasty.
You think it's nasty? You want to try this kind? I don't think you've had this one from this place before.
I've had it.
I don't think you've had it from this place.
I have.
You want to try just a little bit of it, Jace?
No, it's nasty.
Here, I'm gonna give you just a little bit so you can try it. Just a little bit so you can try it. If you don't want it, you don't have to
You
do
dripped
it.
some on my plate.
Huh?
You dripped a little bit on my plate.
Your taste of soy sauce is good.
No.
Oh, cranberry syrup soy sauce.
I don't like sweet and sour sauce. It's very good.
What's good?
Sweet and sour sauce.
really good.
Troy said I don't like sweet and sour sauce. Yeah, that's why I'm not gonna eat it. We all have different taste buds. The frick was that?
That's mine.
Why you left it in there?
Dig it in his hands and then freaking
sauce. Jace, what is wrong? Mommy, look what Jace did. He left his own chicken in there.
Too sweet. If you eat too much at once. Are you gonna eat the vegetables? I know the chicken is good, but you can't just eat the chicken by itself. Gotta eat some rice.
How come all the rice? How come the rice is different colors?
My other
What do
rice.
you mean?
My rice.
The fried rice and the white rice?
Yeah,
Because the fried rice, they fry it.
I know. That's why it's fried rice.
And you want to let me explain why it's a different color or no?
Yes.
Okay. They fry it with soy sauce and other flavorings and it changed the color of the rice.
The yellow rice, the rice.
You like the fried rice?
Yeah, the fried rice tastes good. This always says the fried rice tastes nasty.
Because mommy got it.
I have to rinse the flavor out for the vegetable.
You don't like the vegetables?
No, it's good, but
I like them either. Because these are
Eat the broccolis out. Then.
Oh, we like broccoli.
there's no pea. Then I eat the pea. 3, 2, 1. Very good.
So Josiah, let's see your other hand.
Wait, is it in there?
After this video, I'll show you.
Let us see it so you can tell us what happened.
Just eat and eat the skin. And three. It tastes weird. 3, 2, 1.
And what happened, my love?
The skin tastes weird. I was running outside. Then I didn't pick my feet up.
He
so I
tripped
tripped.
and it hit his wrist. And
Then I hit my
was
wrist
over dramatic about it.
and then almost broke.
It did almost break. It's not broken. It's fine. Makes me over dramatic.
It said it almost broke.
I know, Josiah, why you couldn't tell your own story, huh? Why Troy had to chime in?
I corrected his
Shut
story. Make me.
It's
my mouth. I'll talk if I want.
Make to your shut
Get your
up.
fist out my face.
Make to your shut up.
Get your fist out my face. What?
Your older brother or your younger brother?
all there.
Okay, so act like it.
He put his whole fist in my face.
That's okay, but he actually
Oh
put
my
it towards your
God.
shoulder. It really wasn't in your face.
Really in my face.
No! There's oil that! It's ruining my own face!
But why is it that these two can play together and it's fine, but they can only play with you how you want to be played with and when you want to be played with? Jason, out. I'll get your napkin. Huh, Troy?
It's going to destroy my hands too!
Do you think that's fair?
What?
You think that's fair, Troy?
What fair?
That
The oil's hot.
when you want to play with someone, you want to play with them when you're ready and how you want to, but when they want to play with you, you shut them down and yell at them and tell them to leave you alone and get out of your face. You think that's a nice way of playing with someone? Is that brotherly love, friendly love?
And mommy, in Roblox, Troy likes his friends. Troy don't say that about us either.
Actually, I do.
I just don't understand. I just don't understand if he's playing with you. How come you just can't take it as him playing with you? Every time he plays with you and it's not on your terms.
We're on Troy's parkour.
You yell at him.
His easy parkour was Whittle and
These are peas.
Yeah.
And
That kind of sounds like what I was doing.
And Troy said, and Troy said, if you beat my parkour, you can fly. So Troy made us fly because we beated it.
That was nice.
I said I'll give you mod. You have admin powers now. Not just flying.
And Troy deleted it. I didn't. It was deleted by Roblox.
Your parkour deleted.
Look, mommy, I did it. Look, mommy.
Yeah.
I didn't delete it. Roblox deleted it. Why? I don't know.
I can feel it.
1, 2,
Boom. This is what a pea looks like. It comes from out of these.
What's that called? A pea pod.
Oh. You know Woody would it like show those little toys where it had the peas? Those 3 little peas.
dang.
Yeah, I'm eating them. The thing bounced out at me.
Right, eat that. Ooh, another one.
Oh man.
What more?
Guys, always eat your vegetables.
Never eat them.
Eat rice.
No, eat no vegetables.
Exactly.
And
But
only
eat
what he
rice.
said. Only rice. That's what he said.
And chicken.
No fried rice, just white rice.
Yeah. Look,
Just not.
look.
I disagree with you. Just rice. No chicken, just rice.
Mommy, can I have one more? Just look.
Ah.
Trey, why you be asking me? Why you always ask me for more food when you never finish what's on your plate first? Like you barely ate any of your. Even Jace ate more of his vegetables.
And I
Even
ate all.
Jace ate some of his
And
vegetables.
look at this.
Josiah's almost done. And
And
you all
Troy-
you ate was rice and a little bit of chicken, and you asked me for more rice. You didn't even touch the vegetables or finish the chicken.
I did touch the vegetables actually.
Why is it that these two they know how to eat their food? Every single day I cook, you leaving something on your plate. Every day.
I need all the rice because I like it.
I'm just chewing over here.
So, what else did you guys do today? Did you do any schoolwork, Troy? Look at the camera. You don't have to always look at me. Did you do schoolwork?
We always played Roblox.
Huh?
What's the question? Answer is kind of. I did some.
Hey, mommy. Me and Jason were on. Me and G were on Roblox.
Yeah.
What are you doing, bro?
And
Jason,
guys,
there's
on Netflix. There's a show that's called Squid Game.
Is that really a show for little children?
Not.
No, it's not. That one has a lot of killing in it. A lot of brutality.
There's no brutality.
There is brutality.
No, there's only combos.
What is that
It's
game?
very brutal. People getting their heads chopped off.
No, people. And I saw the one that is tug of
What game are you
war.
talking about? A movie.
It's a show on Netflix. It's called Squid Games. Wait, what's the show called again, Josiah?
Squid Game.
That's
Wait,
not,
no, Squid Games.
that's not what it's called.
That is what it's called.
Hey, I'll hook it up right now.
It's called Squid Games.
Hook it up. Hook it up. I'll hook it up.
Where you going? Sit down. Sit down. Sit down,
Try to
son.
hook it up.
Sit down, son. Come on, baby. I just told you it was called Squid Games.
No,
That's
try
what
to
it's
say
called.
is that something?
Yes, it is. It's
Try to keep it kid friendly.
It's not. I already said it's not. Josiah said it's not.
Because it's showed red light, green light.
Who voted?
It's showed red light, green light with people getting shot.
Hey, that's cool.
No, they got shot and they were dying.
Hey, nice.
Bro, what the heck? What is wrong with this kid right here? Do we have a death wish? This kid really has a death wish.
No? Maybe I do.
Jay, sit down.
That's a cool movie. I bet you kill him.
Sit down, Jace.
Yes.
Sit down and do that. I can't see you. The camera can't see you. Sit down.
Both of them have a death wish.
No, I don't. No, we don't.
Why do you say you like killing?
Because I love killing. Because Chucky has a death wish.
No.
Jace, stop eating with your hands. Stop it and sit down. Now. Sit down.
I'm eating.
Just sit on your butt and eat.
Look up there.
It's not funny.
Mommy, look at this.
Okay, s'more.
You done?
Oh,
You all done too?
Oh shoot.
you're not funny. On this floor.
The slick little comments you always make underneath your breath don't be funny.
Hey, I said it out loud. Who should have heard it? Jace, what do you, bro, give your leg with my butt. Move your leg.
What the heck?
Bro, you see I'm sitting here, bro. Can you stop?
All
Jace.
done?
Me too. I fish on my foot.
All right, I need you guys to say bye. Ready?
Bye. Bye.
1,
Bye.
2, 3.
Bye. Bad people.
What'd you say?
He said bad people.
I thought you said black people.
He said bad. Bye, bad people.
Say don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to dislike.
Troy, you gotta look at the camera. Stop looking at me.
Always. We're gonna
Don't forget to dislike and unsubscribe if you're subscribed. Because he's a bad kid.
Never listen to him.
Bro.
We might hit 135 likes.